Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, guess what we got here? We got the Ripple MUZ True Wireless Earbuds by Vivitar. Now, if y'all don't know, I actually got a pair of Vivitar earbuds that I actually did a review on them, and they last a very long time. But these right here, I hope that these sound good. It's Ripple True Wireless Earbuds. Comes with the case right there. You can clearly see. It's Bluetooth. It's Muze by Vivitar. And the name of these earbuds is Ripple True Wireless Earbuds. The back is like this right here. What I really love about these earbuds, the potential, of course, because you don't really know until you actually try them out for yourself. But it says right here it's 20 hours of playing time. Charging case with up to 4 times charge, up to 20 hours playtime. That's amazing. Automatic pairing. It has automatic pairing, answer calls, hands-free phone calls. I'm hoping that this be really well. I'm gonna do the unboxing now, and then I'm gonna also do the review. And the review is basically, I'm going to let y'all test out the microphone, because right now y'all hear my phone microphone. I'm going to let y'all test out the microphone. All right, y'all. So here we go. I'm unboxing it now. It just got some little tape on it. I could probably just open it up without breaking anything. I hope I don't break anything. I ain't going to break anything. Here we go. Oh boy. I'm gonna reveal the cost to y'all that I paid for these earbuds. Nothing inside right here. When I get finished with this video. Oh, okay. Very interesting here. Okay, you got you gotta open this up first. Okay. So that's right there. That's in there. And we have so there's nothing else in here. Okay. We got some extra earbuds to cover. And what I was looking forward to is the manual. This is a very small manual, as you can clearly see. I'm going to read what it says. It says super sound. Now I'm going to test this out now. It says super sound. I'm going to let y'all see this right here. It says super sound. Truly wireless earbuds. In the box, you got a micro USB cable. You got it right here. You got the case, ear cushions for extra ear cushions. And then it tells you how to pair your device and everything. Everything looks pretty simple. As far as pairing your device, everything looks pretty simple. And then this is right here. So this is the model number. This is what I was looking forward to. The model for these particular earbuds right here are MUZ3008. MUZ3008 is the model number for these particular earbuds by Vivitar. It says Muze by Vivitar. True wireless earbuds. So I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. When I come back, I'm going to actually try these earbuds out. Alright, y'all. So currently right now, I just got finished putting the earbuds in here. You see the light right there. I love this light right there. That light is really lighting up, and it lets you know the charge. It got 4 bars total, and the light just turned off now. So I'm assuming, oh wow, it's trying to pair and it lights up red and blue. That's really amazing. First time I've seen any earbuds that I ever bought that done that. But that doesn't mean the sound quality is good, and that also don't mean that the bass is all good. So we're about to see about that when I come right back. But I just wanted y'all to see how it looks and everything when you charge it up, and it blinks and everything. Obviously when it blinks red and blue, it's trying to pair. So I'm gonna see if I can pair this device to my iPhone right here. I only got a couple words to say. Can you hear me now? Testing 1, 2, 3. Right now, I'm testing out the microphones on this device. The sound quality is amazing. That's all I can say. The bass is really good. I paid a grand total of $15 for these earbuds right here, and the quality of this the sound quality is amazing, and the bass is, like I said, it's excellent, off the chain. Now I won't really be able to tell y'all how long they last, but from what I'm seeing, it looks like it's already charged when you get it. Like I showed y'all, it was on 3 bars, so it was already charged up. But yeah, I would recommend y'all get this for $15. I got it at Walgreens. I got mine at Walgreens, but yeah, these are legit. I don't know how long they last because I just bought them today, but the sound quality is good, the bass is good. These are legit. All right, y'all new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's Super Albert TV. Till next time. All right, y'all.